sensibility and practicality define the 2014 Toyota Camry. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. This model accommodates 5 passengers comfortably and provides features such as delay-off headlights, power moonroof, heated door mirrors, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.